How does Riverside work? If you've ever had a remote interview ruined by a choppy internet connection, you know that standard video call apps don't just cut it for professional content. Today we're doing a complete Riverside walkthrough. We'll show you exactly how this platform bypasses bad Wi-Fi using local recording, how to navigate the studio interface, and how to use the new AI co-creator to turn one recording into a month's worth of content. We're going to cover everything from setting up your first studio to using the AI magic editor to text-based cuts. Also, if you want to try Riverside yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to try it out for free. When you first log into Riverside dashboard, the layout is clean and focused on projects. Think of a project as a folder for a specific show or client. Inside a project, you create a studio. If you click on the plus Create New button, you'll be asked to name your studio and select whether it's for audio and video or audio only. Under Advanced Settings, you can choose your recording resolution and your audio sample rate. A critical feature here is the scheduling tool. You can set a date and time, and Riverside will generate a unique link for your guests. And now you can also toggle on the wait for a host, which ensures your guests stay in the virtual lobby until you're ready to begin. Now before you go live, you enter the lobby. This is where you check your gear. You'll see drop-down menus for your camera, microphone, and speaker. Riverside now includes a built-in teleprompter in the lobby. You can paste your script here and it will scroll at your chosen pace during the recording, positioned right near your camera lens so you maintain perfect eye contact. Once your levels look good and you've selected I'm wearing headphones to prevent echo, hit Join Studio. Inside the studio, the interface is designed for high-stakes production. The center stage. This is where you see yourself and your guests in high-resolution preview. On the sidebar, you have the chat and the participants list. This is where you can see the progressive upload status for each person. This is Riverside's secret sauce. It uploads the high-quality files in chunks while you record, so you don't have to wait an hour after the call for the files to finish. And then there is the media board. This is located at the bottom or the side, and this allows you to trigger intro music, applause, or video clips live. These are recorded onto a separate track, making them easier to adjust later. Now this is the most important technical part of the walkthrough. When you hit record button, Riverside is not recording the stream you see on the screen. It is recording a master file directly onto your guest's hard drive and your hard drive simultaneously. If your guest's internet freezes or drops to 240p, it doesn't matter. The local recording stays at 4K. As the host, you can monitor the upload status icon next to each guest's name to ensure their local files are reaching the cloud safely. Now, inviting people is as simple as clicking the invite button and sharing the link. You can have up to 8 participants in a single session. Currently, the producer mode has significantly been upgraded. You can invite a producer who can see and hear everything but isn't recorded. The producer has access to the backstage controls, allowing them to change a guest's input settings remotely or message the host privately without interrupting the flow of the interview. It is clear that Riverside is more of a virtual TV station than a simple recording app. So if you want to try Riverside yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to try it out for free. It's the easiest way to see that 4K recording quality in action before you commit to a pro plan. Now once you hit stop, you're taken to the view recordings page. This is where the AI tools take over. Click on edit to open the magic editor. You have some features. Text-based editing. You'll see a full 99% accurate AI transcript on the left. To edit your video, you don't use a timeline, you use the text. If you want to cut out a rambling answer, just highlight the paragraph in the transcript and hit delete. The video and audio will instantly snap that cut. Then you have the filler word removal. With one click, you can select remove filler words. The AI scans for ums, ahs, and and removes them while maintaining a natural speech rhythm. Then there is the silence removal. You can automatically shorten gaps where no one is talking, making your content feel much punchier and more professional. Currently, the goal is to record once and distribute everywhere. The AI Co-Creator tab is where you do this. Now here are some of the features. You have Magic Clips. You can click this and the AI will analyze your hour-long video to find the most viral moments. It will automatically create 30 to 60 second viral clips for TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. Then you have Auto Captions. The editor allows you to add animated captions in one click. You can customize the font, color, and balance style to match your brand. Then the AI Show Notes. Riverside now generates your YouTube description, Spotify notes, and even timestamp chapters automatically based on the transcript. Now when you are ready to export, click the export button at the top right. You can choose to export the full multi-track, thus giving you separate files for every person, or a composed video where the AI has already handled the layout switching. For professional editors, you can export a timeline XML file. This allows you to take your Riverside cuts directly into Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve with all your edits and separate tracks perfectly synced. Now don't overlook the Riverside mobile app. Currently, it supports 4K local recording on both iOS and Android. Now here's a pro tip for this walkthrough. Use the multicam mode. You can connect your smartphone to your desktop session and use the phone's high-quality camera as a second angle for your recording. This gives you a 2-camera studio setup without buying an extra equipment. Now let's talk about the pricing. You have the Pro plan at $29 per month. This is the entry-level pager for serious solo creators. It gives you 15 hours of multi-track recordings, 4K video, and a host teleprompter. It also unlocks the AI toolkit, including magic audio, eye contact correction, and unlimited transcriptions, thus making it the sweet spot for high-retention editing. You have the Live plan at $39 per month. This is the next step for those who need to grow an audience in real time. It includes everything in Pro, but adds the ability to multi-stream in full HD to YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, and more. It also includes engagement tools like OmniChat and the ability to take live call-ins from audience members. You also have the Webinar plan at $99 per month. Specifically, this is designed for marketing and events. This plan allows you to host up to 100 registrants. It features custom branded registration forms, automated email reminders, and deep CRM integrations like HubSpot to turn your viewers into leads. All of this while maintaining the 4K recording quality Riverside is known for. You also have the business plan, but you'll need to contact sales because this is a custom pricing. This is the enterprise-grade option for large-scale production. It scales your capacity to 10,000 registrants and provides full remote control features for producers, customizable frame rates, and unlimited storage. It's built for agencies that need absolute control over every technical detail. In conclusion, the reason Riverside is the industry leader currently isn't just about the 4K video, it's about the workflow. By unifying the local recording, the AI transcription, and the magic clips into one dashboard, they've removed the biggest bottlenecks in content creation. You no longer need to be a professional editor to produce professional-looking videos. You just need a good story and a reliable link. Whether you're running a high-end podcast, a corporate webinar, or a YouTube channel, Riverside provides the technical safety net that ensures your hard work actually looks as good as it sounds. So if you want to try Riverside yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to try it out for free. Use the 14-day trial to record your next interview, run it through the AI Magic Editor, and see how much time it saves you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.